that's your opinion. Chief of Staff, tukitoka kidogo, kuna manto ibo ya ibuka ke manto jajo ndaja aruaja. Do you think really kuna interest maybe inge thirikari ina chio kuleta project ndene county ya Meru kana maybe kego ikorwa siasa na at the same time uyorikane skuru ya Meru University ni alina proposal ya kudhibia golf course na bena land inene sana bena space ayomba kudhibia nya strip by the way and ukethirwa ibari na that initiative ya kwenda kudhibia menya Meru no Meru na ukethirwa bena kithaka ni baenda kudhibia kinje ya kiure ni kinontu baba bwe thirikari mimi nibo kuona iba antiba kudetra muitho barero consider maybe kinya beta ben power the Meru University bomba kudhira bagika interview ku na bena space tena meeting.
Thank you Njeri. Bere hapa bili okwira we uti constitute panel ipo bwaya. That is why proponent na opponents.
Yes.
What could have equal number?
Yes.
I'm gonna kwena 5 opponents against 1 proponent. Au ukiwachokera budi ingi.
No.
Inye tu against
hata BS ni vile kufika.
Yes. Na ndipo ngi kama kusalute team yetu this side. Nontoba kwa dia wisdom nyingi muno. In fact ngona there even by mbere tu batu panel way. Especially ndoro the manto ira waria. Very important. Na ine ya my brother Danny adianto au. Au wako kintu kitwa social impact assessment. Wamba itokoria atiri. Kile muti tukiita muti yo yes yomba kudhokia mazingira to this extent lakini yomba kudho ina social impact. Kana yote the community to this extent. I am happy and I felt educated kimanto yo waria very important. Bungi watu rake manyimo yeto mansiono loga na tuyeta lantana. Kinye actually we raise that point watu rake njogu. Kinye kastavu itire mati yariko. Yau ya kuitanga na ya retete thina. Bungi kubungu ndo ya my sister Patricia. Nimbidire twenki mumiti muno. Akiromba kura na kwenda kwa women rep wetu ngwitike kinya uni andomba kura after this. Patricia riwa nonto antungirida ndatu ati ku understand the story we antungirida ndatu. And my point was this, I think you did not listen well, Patricia. What happens? President in the preference here, Kenya State House. Like I'm told, my father Ambera Kenyatta ended Nakuru muno. My father used to go to all the delegations in 1963. Ile State House. Na omuntu wa preference yake. So, ku president yogenda kulia Nakuru muno, ku ogenda kulia Sagana. Actually, yake Kenyatta ended Sagana muno and even more. And I want to say that delegation yedro yeyete umite konfano kwale State House controller no uriruti if they were coming to Nairobi bakarirutendi bakiro president ya State House iliko baka scheduled kumona ranara at state lounge no tunumwa muji wake baeta now na kwenda kwa social impact on tobo when they go there and to Bame they are not coming on foot when they come to Meru definitely they will spend their night here. They refuel their cars. They rumbai bamo bakaruma yamira. They rumbai ikuachi. They rumbai so many. Tumanton tutu. Kukedo kwena spill over benefit nyingi muno. Na president ba itite kuona. But at the end of the day, pakedro abare kumbenefit town yetu ya Meru. Na itare ondera tuliongiri woni remember 2018. Kuireo kwari na itare ngavana kira itu. Ikwari na kiadho kitawa enye next year I think our governor stood us na negotiated the same. Mandaraka Day celebration chiki noru. Iliwe MOS yare kuambiria na MOS ila Mountain Guard of Honor to President Uhuru Kenyatta. I am telling you, woni ini nambuka most of the ministers. I am telling you, Meru itaanire kinyakwana. Turambuku eritinjira dhira turambuku utirichi Meru chisiolo chimwankana nyuki. Everywhere, ura occupied. Ndi kwera economy Meru that day yaitirie to a very big extent. There was a lot of business activity around Meru. Na kwena barawa ebende tekinya gutukinya kuremera kwe bakarara kilabu ine mwankaro kire na yange tikweta so kankora kwa that is how it becomes an advantage social advantage bungi Patricia butangweria Patricia riwa nonto tewe to chetha ngofwa easy now that batu uti helicopter au kana ndege ri does it make kuone ndege a crime kan kwendo bura batu tumbo kinyila yes we may not playing off today but tomorrow we may do what we are potential of players. Ukan kwenda kwa turea tongoria, you know we think big. Na batu bora tutikumba, our children will do it. Na ndendo kwa katuria tu ichincha chia. Kinya when you become the women rep, you start playing golf if you manage. At the end of the day, okay, these things are there. Na nto hapa playing golf. withera beta na team ukethira kurobo be na team en thakati obe na PA be na what be na mavieti yake ya Fueromeru na ndenda kuwa ngofu ni ore kali no ngofu ngorige yene nda oko ringi the first governor nendo myoka na show ground ngofu kinyeka ekabuthiro kontogote na mitika mitianda wa it is a area is a game that in an area that has trees so kankwenda kwa it cannot be in any way either a came back to destroy environment bonge I agree with my sister the conservative about awareness. It is true on that one in area. Twin there cylinders tuna responsibility ya kumbirunda awareness and to baelewe manto ya zaidi. Some of people baraba ko oppose wa body biba ko oppose I am telling you they are opposing out of ignorance. Now kia ko me ignorance iri ya Kenya njeri you will be shocked. I will give a good example. Oni kwero dare oppose to mnoki manto asha. Salezi is my very close friend he knows. Kwero oni manto asha ndona that is nonsense. Until a relative of mine came from Somali. Ya mama Chivitari. Ambira Mutwiri, I have left everything in Somali. You walk a menyere nyaman to ambil. I was shocked. I was imagining kiri angiri mirongo kana mangala. Now, when I went to see him in hospital on his 8th day, Dr. Mwanke, he knows me. Achoka ambira muhitiresha. Amboni and go to that room, you find a young man called Mike. Mike will help you. No commander and Domira, stop that nonsense. That thing cannot work. No commander ukuma. I'm telling you the young man guided me in a few minutes. They win the 900 shillings. There are 900 shillings. Muntu ndeta Nairobi. The gentleman yako for 12 days. I'm telling you that andigedhiwa mbele is at home. Sha yomurera. Now, as you all know, that itangweki political parties. Na imidhwadi mwakilishi ya makiambasi. Kile kundiki wetu wa PPLC. Political Parties Liaison Committee. Ikamite ya mepekenya beyond the bidiyamwe tuina like a parliament of our own. Na tuina ya WhatsApp group. So we always share jokes. Nini. Ende dabandi kira dabera akuru narua. I have seen wonders. I have seen this thing condition ni kulitanguhe kuina my relative waka Chivitari na umurira and I've only paid 900 shillings. Nde yere kurumo grupu ineu ndero wiki ndeke oringira dhimo wewe nini wono rawi mumero wono roro bakindike lakini the truth of the matter shane rire my relative umbi na uniro ndambiri from there mbira antu bonde kinya wao I will tell you as much ntikwa wa criticize thirikari kethe no kona kwene necessary me criticize buru lakini yara ya moyo ntotu esha because I have seen my personally it works and many of you and many of my friends it has worked for them then they waki let us also not be subjective let us be objective including President Ruto yetho te mwakura ukethwa kubwa kubithia bubwa u akubithia bubwa ya olele mantu yanga bana mutuma kubithia inyethwa no kubwa te mwakura kawe na another option uwe arabithia bubwa au burumwe give credit where is do bonto athoribo wa mungala muwe na akiumpe and bonge mantu priorities kabwe kinya wonia with these people on that wonde da kwa njeri withirwa kukirwa tokerwa airport na airstrip na bibi ngito kokerwa tekuwa lami kuma gekomene ukinya national politics nigite atia ikare tekuwa project ile chionde to promise ile kuyura me am for the idea that project chionde chitatia chuyurwe that one I agree with my people lakini akwe ndobera bungi tuka create the net yo mekwe robwa butuma kilima limu kikone kana kinene inkuru kiora kiana fear makes the monster look larger than he actually is onto baba kuangalia ndi kwenda kungrabwa don't say things you cannot substantiate na kwa zako yo kwenda kungrabwa no go and proof kenda twinde tumba ku unite for that cause bungi ndenda kwa batu as a community rali ungirite nyingi people have learned kuwatanirira kuri onto kwa their common interest lakini kuloko tukaite injustice to oppose mantu kinyo mantu ame yeyite now I will finally give an example of Muchoro ko ito amithika one day kure ari MP we Gembe South eyanire na Raila Maua that time Raila was against Kibaki Raila was fighting everyone and Raila was running against Uhuru Kenyatta and the people criticized him by mwera nonto ko na Raila Maua retete taitu arwa Kenyatta itu kareto inkoma tueta kwirira bandaye let me tell you the truth imotomba ko opposing good idea because you have a problem with the person bringing the idea. Can the let us look again and I go back to my sister Dorothy it is not just an environment impact. It is also also social impact to Korea menya jiso ure ti unindi ti sabatu ile ono ntubwa kwa undi mwadhani sabatu the Sabbath is there for me it is not me who is there for the Sabbath ukangoda kwa mwitho yoki nyajuo we should look at it is a resource for the community na nibati kwithirwa na nibati kumenyerwa. I have no objection with that, and when ingwa the conservationist na nithetera manto conservation na I lead people to plant trees. I use my resources to make sure mitho ikwandwa, lakini ndenda kuwa atiri ito bati kolele social impact ya manto yariku ya na tukolele wewe ya tundi ukethwa ntina ngari na arua ntimia kwa njiri yekiro lami because uni ntina ngari ndi abwana ruyo ukethwa ndina ngari thano na kagura helicopter. So ntimia kwa ngari kwithwa ina ngari by I can argue as if it is a crime, yet inkumia ruyo mwathani no aringe kama manto ya luka within a day ukethira wotare ngari. My brother, you have a V8 wende ukavilify manto ya wibwe njira ni wikiro lami kana manto nto yonthe kuhusu these things na kandi bwire uma ukethira kuri itonga bya miru bikomba wetana ndeu ni biete nai na chio. We should have no problem with that. Tukiwa ni elite baki nyabo no wana bao petu. Some of those elite nyibo bakiritingu we in this community, they have employed many of us. Now we have no problem with that. They are our destiny helpers. Na ni antu beto bike tharimo kimiru yetu, and tukwenda ku mention examples of them. Na pamoja baba tiba Meru, they always come to Meru na tukwenda be Meru badi investors badu opportunity ile yetuma antu ba Meru bomba kudhovena kitharimo kibo pungi. This is not a county government project. Miako yantu bako ataki county bakio unga bana woka state lonji ndendo bwira manto yayo onthe kinya muntu wetire kunekanira mwithu kana kunekanira party we mwithu yoko state lonji njeri ni PS uro tukubati utatu ino robo huko antu nobo barone ndi bako ethire ngavana punching bag onto bonde barone ndi account woka the county woka state lonji nenda ku make that point very straight. But county ni kona is a good idea ne athethere kimaendeleo ya Meru na kinyake the bwana Saleso. It is not a legal requirement, it is a social requirement. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Patricia, tutoka kiugwe. Kwina miambo ya tiumirie kwamba antu ba Meru no bethero bakire ya maendeleo no tubo muturo retete maendeleo. Okay, otegera egitare munya no wegete no mantu yango of course. Okay, otegera kinya the former governor Kawira Mwangaza no ene egete na mantu ya state launch. But yatetere na mbere wena yatari na gituma muno. Could it be true that anto maybe iba korea maendeleo zano to bakwithira maybe wa leadership ile iliku kana ngavana urori kutha yure tete mirani zeu
tia pambili na kuanza. There's something that the chief of staff, my senior here, about the state lodge. Aruga, it is a presidential preference. Like a president will prefer a state lodge in Meru. I don't think there is anywhere in the Constitution that it says if a president prefers to have a state lodge in whatever county, then they are allowed to do that. Power belongs to the people. And if the people...
Sorry, you did not understand me on that. Allow me to put it, to make it easier for you to
yes,
get
and please allow me to finish so that I also answer because I was very silent.
You know you are responding it in a wrong way. So when you respond to something which I did not say.
Sir, I was very silent when you talked. So please allow me to finish because even probably the next point you have also something to say. So it's a presidential preference. If it is in the Constitution, then let it be done. If it is not, then it cannot be done. And we, the people, have a right to say. We as a people, we have a right to say we don't want or we want. So we cannot be vilified because we are saying we don't want. Point Madam, tekato kurega development. Wotwe orega development. Inya governors they were proposing the same thing. So Totombakuga we are refusing because of Governor Mutuma who is there right now. I don't think even that makes any sense. We are basically saying these projects for state lodge, then follow the due process. If you need to have public participation, please have the public participation. If you need to involve the common mwananchi, please involve them. Otherwise, wamberia a process, wamberia start a process, and then you have not followed the due process, and then we the mwananchi tuamberia koria, you start telling us you don't like this person, you don't like this person. I think it is just unconstitutional because we have a right as a common mwananchi to ask. And if we feel we are not comfortable, we have a right to go to court. And if the court says you cannot continue with the project, you cannot continue. Yeah, so there is nothing about the governor who is there, because in your keja kairi, in your atonya kairi, there is something else he will do to get in state lodge. And if we feel it is not right, we will ask. And and he shouldn't feel bad because we are asking. Auga you want to ioni neke botoragia munya, why you are not asking the other person? Last but not least, there is something that in the family unit too, we have a father, we have a mother, and you have the children. Now, the father is the head of the family, and we know that, we don't refute. Then, he feels one day, because he's the head of the family, he can do anything, and we cannot question him, because he's the head of the family. As much as he's the head of the family, he's leading us. So, inapatu to query, hey dad, hapa unafanya hivi, atuoni kama iko sawa. And then, as I finish, we are not all of us dying today. There is a tomorrow. Kuna generation that's after us, another generation. Now, if we continue doing things that tomorrow, we don't care about the generation of tomorrow, I think we are being selfish and we are being unfair. So as we do our projects, we look at the generation of tomorrow. If we cut the trees, we are tampering with the water catchment, where will they be tomorrow? Yeah, so there is a tomorrow even in Tuja State Lodge, there's a tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. Bwana Jiara, okay, otegera teka email wake yumbete tudiro kiretero mabria State Lodge. Mombasa ina State Lodge, kuna Eldoret, kuna Nakuru, kuna Kisumu, kuna Kakamega, kuna Kisii, and now Meru. Maybe mtu noethero akiuria pengine kiri ingi tionde tutaigwa gituma ya kira tuigitu Meru. Egitara Meru yero ni kwenda kwa city, still itoigirwa antu makiaria meario 1 2 3 batu wa Meru itira kinyo standard ya kwithira kia city. Don't you think maybe no kwithira Meru bagipinga ira maendeleo baribo bongwa no tu pengine bati kwenda kana bati kuitikia maybe no whether bakinyite kiwango kuga kuona into ya view ndene county Meru kana what is not happening no to imantu jakarikite ki meeting na tutomba kwa kugituma ya kira tukuigo da ndene Meru, including the city.
Oni chaupe kui wampatri tu mono in the entire conversation. Because I don't take understand him to mambendron kiara yana conservator who is not conserving. Conservation you mean in reality. Ukaero we conserve mwitu, ugongoge kuigo kalia mwitu. Kenda una nko, tekenda ukalia mwitu jwa kwa ya street. According to me, it does not make sense. Kenda omba kuredi amburi no. Kedra njogu itera karantana kamala, mburi omba kurea. Kana ngombe omba kurea. So we are making any debate here to kuza tuwe ni ki uni ndio na yu mudemba jo childish. No nturi no wa ugo tuko enda ya strip. Kuma to alidi aja ba tu tinda to kwali ri. Kuwora igwa nkiuga tuko enda ya strip bun. Kan kuria Kenya conservative na thirikari na imbugire kaire disqualified na ni as someone who can be able to answer us. Atuire kira kigatuma yani ya no mwanka ya komitoni. I find it stupid no nturi. Okay, ja kuithira kwina nange tumba kwa kaya strip no mwanka to miake mwitoni. Why do we need to do that? Mburirie ketha be na ndege doro di ugo tambira ketha wina ndege ira bwitite opaka no the whole entire government of Kenya KFS be na ndege mwaki, and that is the truth. Tako ka gureku ndege ni imwe ketha ni imwe riwe KFS na caravan te kuoria mwanki. You know a caravan, what a caravan is? It's a transporter. It's a matatu ya nini ya 12 seater anto 12 you get on the helicopter. So why are we discussing issues ile it make sense kiriba utwi batu tukujeta kumenya atiri na kira nkoenda itauni kumenya kuma GPS kwenda kumenya niki no mwanka twaki into beyond mwitone na tuina nange. One question that someone should ask themselves nyambere yatu ira anything else, who owns the forest? Mwito jwao according to the constitution ugono ntugo imudomi dabera bakauga uni ankongera ri konsa mwito jwao teto mwananchi no yugo na uni, right? So uni ankuga na boa konkauga atiri ni ntiyo twenda ntekwenda nyomore mwitone is as basic as that. Na kwa mbira no mwanka twake mwitone no tututena munda jonge na atomba kugitate ugo conservatory ugo nkurie conservator umba kudo we no audacity ya kujotwera ugwe mwito jwathirire. How do you tell us that muito jwadire na yongo ge kupo 20 years ya kuanda muti mutakore no choke bu bwega mono ure kuga iba anda mitebo ure akauga ndikari kagura ugo na ko jotwira kamite dirire muito jwadire muti na ko no kwenda kugitenge. What nonsense is that? Is that a conservator? Who conservatory? There is no conservator in that whatever. That is a lie. So whether we muitone, okay, mtorate akwari abu bwega mono, madam, I salute you for that. Don't go to a kita biringo ya mwangi. That makes a lot of sense to us. And you get the kirengo kwenda ombera ya kwari mwangi muito kairi na kwa kali njogu. I would understand. No to kinyalo kadalo kanto junda kenda jote kae. They take a solution. But you cannot be a conservator, in my opinion. You cannot be a conservator, including the PS. The State Department of what? Forestry. Mandate ya nene Burundi ukalia mwitu. He has no business building those other things. You are going to get that. Akwenda kuwaka. So oni muntu akankaribia nduguru wake liyo mboneria. No mwanka kegina mwitune for whose advantage? For whose advantage? Ati no mwanka kidoke antwana for whose advantage? Mwito ito tatoka ande miti. That is what is supposed to happen. You know what we kuanda miti mwitone, whether it's going to benefit me or going to benefit my brothers and sisters. Bara koroeja kore abwana kuga katoka ameande itegerio. Either 20 years from today, but you cannot be a conservator for 20 years. Oni mwarochi ande gugu amdoria mono. A conservator for 20 years and you come and tell us mwito watu kudira. What the fuck are you doing in the forest? In Bioko Livia Muito na kadao to itabora watu wangu no cheno mora.
Okay, one answer. Yes, you have to.
Yes.
Okay. Kindly do. Okay.
People like you.
No.
Talk about the trees. Talk about the trees. Where the trees? Why? Look, we are talking about the trees.
Peaks Hotel Nanyuki nitwi muchirwa mishemo yonthe kenera nyomba chetu cha kurara kuma kiwango kia standard, superior na executive. Akiri michemani ya kibiashara turi na modern conference hall iliyo bitethiraga mushamo na litingoge beotea gukwa kiririkano kia ndionga yaku Peaks. Aja Peaks Hotel nkero ikwena iriole gataria thambira na rojirole na karutera ukenero tungata spa, sauna, steam bath, manicure, pedicure na kamasanji kamarerete ukiebera stress. Turina outdoor training, rope courses, 88 meters zipline, hiking na forest camping. Mwago jo junde jo kirikidwa ne udhongi bo Mount Kenya, The Aberdares na Lodaiga Hills. Peaks Hotel Nanyuki 33 kilometers kuma Nanyuki town, barabara ya Nanyuki kuerekera Meru. Aranile natwi kukurokera 0711 969 690 na keri website ni www.peakshotels.co.ke na ukamenya kongo getu katika ridhira mushamo. Peaks Hotel Nanyuki, beauty and taste with nature.
So cool, so nice. It's home away from home. Beauty and taste with nature. Peaks Hotel.
Kangagwe uri mu Kenya muchiacha na nukuria ni kiama kiriko ugatonya gukinyaniria kiroto giaku gichiacha nande kiama kia nopeo ni kirugurite mirango yakio ni undu bwaku nande no uchiandikithie no gatwika mukiama wa nopeo uri muchigo waku dial *509# na uthingatire uria umba guchiandikithia ta mukiama wa nopeo kana guchiembiria kiamene kiria uri na gitio kugweria nkoroki no uchiandikithie gukorokera eCitizen kana kiri political party portal gukorokera www.ipps.orpp.or.ke kiama kia nopeo nikio gitongeretie mero na Kenya ngima chiandikithie narua ta mumemba kiama toriuga nopeo tupande ngazi pamoja. Hatua chapa na ndaka ichindire mainda ngiri 5 ya beti yaku onyuma ya ndeka 20 wachetha na chiringi 20 ugaichindira ngiri 100 na wachetha na chiringi 40 ugaichindira chiringi ngiri 200 chetha na chiringi 100 uichindire nusu milioni hau ngoroki kuri na into bia nyomba na bia biashara bia kuichindira na smart TV, fridge, cookers, mashini cha kuthambia ngari, mitambo ya kuchanganya na kuruga cake, bonda, mashini cha kuora na kuumia nguo, bills cha mitumba, solar panels, tuk-tuks na ngari muthemba jo maruti. Tonya thimuni yaku kiri M-Pesa na wikire pay bill iria ni 440 kana 150. Amount ikira kuma chiringi 20 mwanka ngiri 2. Account ni Meru TV. Changamka sasa, tatua chapa na kazi na daka.
Kristo akurikia kuritana rito bawe gukurukira uringi wa biyama nawe nabatumire gutambia ruteto rwa Murungu kire migongo yonthe eje niyo mission area yari nene.
Mwathani antumire mwaka jo 73 na antuma migongo yonthe na nandi na arantumire no kurobo na inda atonyanire na thiri twitite na bongo gigitari raja na kiona kikiagwa nkorone chieto atiri kana nkorone chiao iba ikirundu na kwenda nguriro kagari gakumba gwita untu gukwinge wiki angume Mwathani mono ntumikire twana machukuru Mwathani ambira chukuru ana baba bakoya mono intonye imbeta ya machukuru ngatethia na romba yakwa twana tutunyi
ni mwinjilisti wa kanisa twetu tunaitwa Grace Gospel Prophetic Center ndio waambie kanisa tu na made atwire mwinjilisti miaka yawe yonde mwankira nande nikio atumiritie migongo yonde na Mwathani na mutumite ete akaunjirie twana na akaunjie migongo yonde nikio gitumi tariki 9 mweri jwe 8 2026 twena maketha ja kumugurira missionary car aria gitune Grace Gospel Prophetic Center nibwega nibugetiugani winde Ameru tumireni tugwatie kugurira muinjilisti ujo wetu ngari
ni tharimi njara area enenkanaira gukira area ya mukaira bwinthe ibugwati ugeni gutwika bamoba mission ya Reverend Veronica Machukuru Nejetu. Namba ya thimu ya kuritira ni 0758752127.
Chokia rogono.
Chokia ni rogono.
Jokia dogono. Gote mtote rogono rwawe. Na gote rogono rotito mi okaigwa rokagono. Jumatatu chionde. Meru TV tukoreterete mubango jo jokia rogono. Mubango jori na murutira jo utoro. Widura wido bwa modio jo kenga. Okinyaniria bwa iroto. naomba ni borea tugutura gatumenya rugono rwaku kume kuriro iji ningono iri na mataro wigikana gukaniria nkoro na igutureta amwe ndene ya muturire njukia rugono Jumatatu cionthe kwambiriria thaa 2:30 cia ugoro mwanka thaa 3:30 cia utuku miangatene ya murithi wa Baja kwa Meru TV.
Yes, odi Antomeru County, Tharaka-Nithi County, Isiolo County, na Kiambu County, ntore irio cionthe ciithirikiritie ituri bionthe bianthe bira bimagaruo nkuja na ntato ciri na murio ta matanta jamasono jagi empeke auki atia we ukwenda kwethira wina mantu ukwenda kumenyithia antu nukwenda track kana ngare ya rudishu aja ni oturi nini wewe areria antora ndongo na ndongo antu bakuigwe warie tankongi maugene atiri gwo kwenda kugira skuru yaku gwo kwenda kuthia road show kana kiatho kira kionthe kwenda sauti yenene atiri aja turi na ngare ya road show ira tugukunenkera na maguri jara kuguna muko jo waku na kinya wenda tukwejania muna mugi kana na MC sound irere aja ni rete onekete kaire kuma ndiguro rombo kuma gitara baroti ko yegitara banu mwanga gucoka kwa Jesu runguro eria iguro na matu na kinya manga nyoni na ndenjo mo gutoneka engeta eji Thimo namba 0725 170 744 withiro gicigwatira ngari yaku ya road show na kinyoke ya kuthawina kiatho aunja ni oturito rakwe nagwe taritho na gutu nini wewe turekane. You can read about it in the Daily Express.
Ngagwe uri mu Kenya muchiacha na nukuria ni kiama kiriko ugatonya gukinyaniria kiroto giaku gichiacha nande kiama kia nopeo ni kirugurite mirango yakio ni ondu bwaku nande no uchiandikithie no gatwika mukiama wa nopeo uri muchigo waku dial *509# na uthingatire uria umba guchiandikithia ta mukiama wa nopeo kana guchiembiria kiamene kiria uri na gitio kugweria nkoroki no uchiandikithie gukorokera eCitizen kana kiri political party portal gukorokera www.ipps.orpp.or.ke kiama kia nopeo nikio gitongeretie Meru na Kenya ngima chiandikithie narua ta mumemba kiama toriuga nopeo tupande ngazi pamoja. uje no waranire no bichi cia Meru TV na There FM ukaigwa kuri ontoboti ukugweria kumakire programu iria igweta ruone nandi no tume maoni jaku gukurukira email yetu iria ni merutvcomplaincenter@gmail.com kana uturingire thimu gukurukira 0140 794 142. Meru TV, chionere mwanya.
Karibu ringi tutinambere kuthira tukiaraniria kiri rwari rwetu rwa ntuku itu tutinambere kuthira twitegera mantu kathumba yegie project ithatu inene iria ciumbite kuthirwa ikirikana kuijaza kaunti ya Meru nicio tukwenda kuthira twitegera kwa undani kabisa nikienda tumba kuthira tukimenya leaders baba kuthugania wananchi baba kuthugania na kethera mantu jajo ndi yithiritwe yagita na mbere urakubatire kwa hivyo karibuni tutinambere kuthira tukiaraniria kwa hivyo tugutigirite kiwe bwana Mugambi kuna kiuria Salesi sorry Salesi kwenda kiuria kwendete kuthira ngikuria kwina mantu ndaigua madam Dorothy ariria mantu jegie akiwa iboritwe maoni yao jokoni mantu ya airstrip na ibetikanirite kwamba airstrip yumbe kuthira igio kwa ndene muito jo at the same time akuga batomba kuthira bakiariri mantu ya golf course batomba kuthira bakiariri mantu ya state launch lakini kinyabeno bigokwa na ibirikanite lazima bigokwa kulingana na madam Dorothy augire ni proposed kabi proposed kwamba bikethira bigokwa but ikendo tugetwe the authorities the president akiarire sana na wano mwanga ukethira ni wokwa nara konge to Meru itibatere kwithirwa igiokwa. So now my question comes na kinya yare nyangeomba kuthirwa kiaringo itigio kuja ibo mantu ya policy na kila kitu kiuri kiako kikeza atiri ukiakwithirwa state launch na ndinya tutigatigane muno na airstrip we ukiakwithirwa iboritwe tuwe ibato representere ukiakwithirwa state launch maybe batorwe kinyabo ukiakwithirwa mantu ya golf course kinyabo batorwa batetikanire na batakarandi betikanire mantu ntoje na kinyacho no ikwenda kwithirwa igiokwa then who is reliable for that?
Thank you, Cheupe. Mbuge debate irenderea mantu ya jonte jenderea it's normal. Ni untupa kwithirwa issues ijire ki community that is very emotive. Mantu jegie munda na mantu jegie environment. Very emotive from many dimensions. Iro kaja tagajo yado jari emotive ni untu ja affect community in one way or the other. Akodhoro imunda at least settlement antubaka affected. Kodho iriera kukedho kuina drought tukaga ruji tukaga rera rirega. It's very emotive. So turekere ijarajo kareke kabat is healthy. Mbuke igitara twadithirie constitution ya 2010. It is the most progressive in the world, not in Africa, in the world. Sheria tiareo before 2010, itiare repealed. Sheria inginje. But gentukia kurigarania gwe sheria emwe ta repealed mwaka na nontu bokwethwa nature area yathithirwe nayo itindi umba ku change wonge ni onto nietanagia na katiba ureka katiba 2010 inge tiare repealed no tuitetanagia. Environmental Management and Conservation Act mwaka ni oto tumira ikali ureka because it's a perfect document. Na gentu kimwe ekirete kire act yeu yathithirwe before 2010 na ngwitikaria Madam Dorothy Jarajo ndeuga that it's at the policy making level. Nonto akogweta uba thithirie minutes na betikaniria. But onto buge sheria it's at the policy making level. Katiba nayo Article 1, Article 2, Article 3 thirikari mwananchi. We have donated that power Kiantu baraba utugavana. Article 10. Ikauga untu bora bunde thirikari kuthithia doneteri pao imwananchi. One of the national values is transparency, accountability, and above all, participation. So, Piato Korea, it's our right, very privilege, to engage in the process of governance. Weja kire Article 108, Article 119, Article 118, chikauga kairi public participation ke manto jara jonte. Thirikari kwenda kuthithia gaikia kenda ethithirua legislation na ewoke county government na national parliament. So patiku noba kwebera manto ja public participation. So jara ndoro de bathithirie, it's right ora bathithirie at that level ya policy making. So kiure kira to body are policy wa turetere to participate on the ground to tamimi na roto. Okay? Number 2. Article 201 ya katiba a very particular. Ote project thirikari pati kodithia etina budget. Public Finance Management Act ya 2011 is very clear. At the project budget chonde ile thirikari kodithia. Lazima chete chi involve mwananchi kienda kwa priority ya miradi ile. Cheupe na nkabana nkiro opportunity, let's check. Budget ya thirikari ya 2025-2026 irera thithirwe thaigi 2026-2025 oteno state lodge ya Meru, oteno airstrip ya Meru, oteno golf course ya Meru e budget.
Then imbibi goka.
Irongo kwera atire process na procedure na sherite kuthinga to. Atogetikiria umora bukari.
Ina becho ikauma no ntoigirwe president tayari akiwa na nekanirite 80 million irio tia gwoka state launch, right? So okay, akwithira tekire budget.
Igora president na rari je nonto bwakidi kia Meru Central.
Yes.
Atire je nonto promise ira nenkanirite 200 million ite. So Ameru na Kenya to reuse the promises. Itio kinyana. Ati toira na ara kurita mbecha yu. Batigesheria otumba ku allocate a project in becha ite allocated ke budget na ite approved in national parliament. Inyo sheria. Okadijero kodiji kiuta tena wa.
What's the criteria? Ya eje tumaira go consider na ara member state loan je wi bateri go kware.
Now,
criteria ko
amba chokie. Kwa tuika wa memory ite to serve better. Egitaria wathani bwa President Uhuru Kenyatta ikwari na proposal kiri ministry ya national security and interior ita coordination and something. Ati naria kwena nyumba cia county commissioners cia converted into state lodges. Nemwere ari converted ni je Meru. So topati kuthinga thirikari kira gichenchagia ibarabeja kabathurwa after every cycle kuringana na article 38 ya katiba ire tweta powers cha kuthura atongeria betu every 5 years. So gento kira topati kuthithia ko perpetuate programs na mirandi ire thirikari. Lakini omutongeria ejaga akarekaniria jara jabangia kambiria kuthithia jawe Meru ne ja kulikwaya budget. So uturarega na rwari rwa runde twariria jo cheupe. Utura ugatire state loan chigakwa. Utura ugatire airstrip ikathithia atia igakwa. Utura uga golf course igakwa. Lakini kile turi ku question ni procedure na wa. State road ni convert the county commissioners ni convert a better state loan. Golf course is not a national government project or a county government project. Golf course chidochi clubs. Private. China membership. na baguraga munda bagaka golf course yao inana ndito kurita mandate yo bagitira kinuku kimwe kia mwito twe thirikari baka iceria tukuthinga ka iceria tukuna golf course association batereja na that proposal na inkurikana igita ria munya jwale mwaka jo 2016 I was one ondari omwe bara twapingire golf course gwakwa showground twa championaga na mtu etawa kaborio moria kwa sababu alikana I was one of them na twa petition mwanka county assembly na ya yingo no to bakwe thurwambi mutaratara jo te kuthinga to ni to that's a private partnership issue ina thirikari go ikumirira kenda idonate na nkwire wende kanorege me have done my research imwe ni avenues ikurugurwa cha ku grab ithaka na miunda ireri mwito na nkaita an example I'll substantiate I've done my research na I posted it on my Facebook you can go and check aran kwire kwina ka spring kareo it's already grabbed land na ibambirite kugita meteni ambirite kugitwa na kithaka kiambirite gutugutwa aura mpugire kwina ka spring ugitonya kambakia you can go and check tomorrow ugitonya kambakia njire gutonya kambakia kwitha kwina kagoto kairia kau kaitia unyo kwina that spring ina ndujire mpugire ikujugwa ndene mugutano na ndene institutions cionthe cia running institution ye ciekaga kairia kau kara grabero and you can confirm na principal wa Meru Polytechnic it's an issue they are fighting ya grab the land na ka affect ka spring kariko ka spring kau na mtoro kwerekana na grabete it's alleged it's a PS na ikyo kiuria kwendete na ruo kurio tuko na ruo PS atwire ni untu nwe mwene mito EPS uri ko grabete that portion of forest so it's an avenue na nkau candidly na nti ukira ya kurugura avenues cha ko grab itwari na report from the national TV I don't remember kwa ni NTV kana ya Citizen TV ikionanagia ate portion ire airstrip yare yakwe ego extend even 8 kilometers beyond the required ire tiari nenkaniro na tiakwe cheupe are we following the law or we are breaking the law is the government conserving and taking care of the property that tumete mamlaka eteiki kana eco destroy kana eco watch ya destroyed let's think twice mbugere kiamberia it's an emotive area lakini sheria ne thingatwe mitaratara ne thingatwe mbere tweja kuthukia mantu
now what happens because kwenda kuchanywa video between the government na wananchi golf course kana interview beyond the bidatu bikendelea gwakwa kana bigatiga nabyo kisheria
ikitaria kutha kwina nkuchanio katiba netwete authority ya gweta court na twina wananchi ba Meru betre court so thirikari ukethirwo u ni thingataga the rule of law na ni kuhona sheria ile time kumegovern mwanka ithiro eri arieri kira kumiromba ni thingata court order yambe yete igamba rira process ire record ni untu court nio the arbiter nio referee ne kathiria thina iji ora court ikauga meo tukaregana nabo na waigua high court itira ingie jare okwendete sheria ni okwa opportunity ya gweta court of appeal weta court of appeal gwatiko tanganirwa ugeta the supreme court na ni ofa inote anje ugeta so atuthingate institutions ira twikite kenda ni ontu chirio ko strengthen the social fiber twinayo the political fiber twinayo and the economic fiber twinayo gwatuka tutiomba kuthingata the rule of law na institutions ira chieki kenda chi oversight manto ja John the then we are going to have a banana republic. Thank you.
Okay. Tukija kwa Madam Ruth na ndichoke kiuri gyaku na at the same time ugichoke kiuri gyaku itukwenda kumenya no ntune manugire mito tayari ni 3 na kethra tayari mito ni you now bure antu bakumenyera rera. What are you doing to make sure mito we go choka? Because ukethra mito ni thirire then atakubatere kuthitho kenda mito ichoka no to mito it's very important. Dai climate kwenda climate change no kuona kinyambura rirua ni rekere dai no kuona July ire ya August na July batere ni rakorokire kwena changes nyingi sana se climate no to kwaga mite no to wanto kugita mite no to wanto kurima mitone na mantu jange jajau then babu bure antwara ni bubu ku conserve forests na no bubu ko urwe no to at least bwe na chance ya kutrimana na nene bau na buketha bukiurwa biure bienu kana bukiurwa your opinions ira mwana ncho kawaida atakumba kinya. Then what are you doing to make sure that mitu ye witromba kwa destroyed nego choka ara yari ratane?
Well, Antubamiru and especially the political class bakaragaje kabatulaga iguru issues isieja irobonaga saresho tuturite no na akari muthikaira ntunethero akimyura kuga ingava no riko ka ukurunga makasene takamwekuru jo atithiurukite kinya mwito jo jo akithoka gwetanara ura ruire ona Lantala Kamala na batwira in 1980s ni mbieriku dai Lantala Kamala icio baatu conservative man tuja strip ya kija bratwire turi in conservation tukianda mite tukianda tungau na kinya it was not easy rira twakiremire na twenda kinya PS kakethura ria agatwingaga kuga tukwenda kuthukia itongo bio kuona na politician bakandika baroa bakauga tumuntu tu tweta kinyo tumuntu tugetikirwa nontu ni mito tukwenda kugitate it took us with and others mwanka wa PS aleja turamwiki nara twambirie conservation ni mito from 2007 ile tikiririe na turambirie kurita invasive species jamanto ya strip na mbijare jirego jinke yangi jiara ni koromba giti eta southiments wambiria ntwa gwetagwera ruwitite na kia mweri wena manijira una mwito jo mwango kinye kiangua mwito jo mbere kadhi miti okethira kai shrubs. That's one. Miti yetu for years majani ja ndure ta kwa nyauti zones na gutiki into kingi infested ya majani nonto nije ja anda kwa jakadithia carpet gutinya muyomba usaba kijani ne rungura kijani ninchi are gino otora uketha miaka yonde na kinyanjo kaka nyamuti kogona kijani is very invested ithirikari ciajanire miundeu warawa patibatu torithithie ja Wangari Maathai karugono karaeja na kawiva mbad mwito jo kwambire kujeta kakunda katante kakitatia yeta kakunda katante kakitatia miuro yetu kinya na anja cietu wetlands kera ojaga naru ndio nanto bagita kinyara gugwito tharu moni jwa tharu kona nto kinya banene baba kuromba kura bakuringirwa mbisa bathithitio monyo jujo takinyika ni kioro na mauma gona yes we went with the community. She is a witness. We went with her turamobilize community turajukirini turambira kwanda miti naro ute muntu tekwenda gweta kunywa ntwariko but we are not employed by the government. We are not employed by the county of government. We have volunteers na tukarija kawiva bandikara Wangari Maathai ubaga tutoreta tukataka kamoka kakitatia no kwerawa na kinye kethira ni ngof kiragwi wige akagwa ninte mutegera ja politician ka seresu mwana sheria oni ka mutegera ja mwana mazingi nanto kieni kiango kintu kiambere ni uje kwina igwitwa carbon credit na carbon sink muthetu ijujo darajo na the greatest carbon sink na ruji na nyaki kieni kikakunikira kieni kira kiango fiti artificial tetagia football. So Nkofu is one of the what we call green spots. Na nyakira nontu ikarakare kiume ne kigitagwa na gintu kiagitwa kioraga nyamki gasoka ku ni there in a lot of carbon sequence. Ndia alija mtu mazingira. So Nkofu wekeja weko at the right place. Nontu there thingateri ne mbio ni mite kana state house weka thidwere eco friendly. Ni kama mtu wa mazingira sina shinda naga na igani no kwera nenda kwira gintu kira mbiji na ndira ndetire kinya World Environmental Day na ndene Meru County ni champion na World Environmental Day na kwira uma ba bonde kinyoka bandikira barwa gutokinya kinya gukilini iso turanganga na ntu kwa World Environment ndi ankonge witwa ankonga ntu bwa divers ori andorothi nobody cannot when those politicians can come to clean that apart from politics. O manje mtora mito ni thiri. Kinya na undeni okuona. And we need a lot of afforestation, we need a lot of growing. Bange bakauga muito jole kerwe. Joli revive. Muito jora joba ko kinyate ko revive ita regeneration. Ni muito natural na jora jo interfered with. Lakini deforestation ikeja kuthithwa muito tu yotiomba ko regenerate. Kaire kira kiumaga shrub. Na shrub kenda ikinyambe go iri itwere ndegoro siomba ko regenerate. No igitirwe gokaremwa mite kathithwa restoration na kinyere steps. Nonto yake thoka ba mwathomi ba mwandigo bakiuga atiri na mitira kwanza yandi kithoka ni mitira ikoma mutijura jondi jamba irie tuimita pioneer trees ta croton jojo tawo mutuntu mukaragati nara gwetura ita mukaragati kenda thithia canopy kenda weja kwanda mutero kana mutinjindinyas mbia na biu binge bitekeja kugitatia ni kenda wanda mutijou joithira canopy na wajwanda na jomba gwitangia raka nonto kwinai. So also Nyamira restoration is a total different story. Nokuelewa? So when we talk about conservation and gito kwa Mantu Jayas, it has three one in the again because I'm a victim of gita kwa mwanki mwito ne ogwe. Okeja gwitikire mene ki kwa mwanki ra weja kumnya there is need. Baraba tuteza jana kaandeke. Nyanto baya fosi na nyuki. Kakeja kamwe kakamatete kageturwa. Tugatiga mwito na masani na tobondi twae. Na ba politicians ba bondo te muntu kinyoba borera uje kasonda bwita ukunda. So tuiwe ya strip as conservators tutemenya tino tute pilots. Ikira tukererwa kiomba tunyiria thinira tukona isi. Na saresi jana liko alitewe. Ore jana jaja pilot nago jana jakuja mindia. Ora na watu ile count ore thithetie twiterwendo ruriko. And that's the reason why the World Bank and the National Treasury nonto Mantu Jan NCD this itagwa Green Climate Fund baugire kwithiro kwina locally led climate actions na every county is in a climate change act na kwithiro kwina committee in all stakeholders of which I was elected as the leader na supervising assembly yeto na litora kwa up to the national. Na hii we are composing a very strong committee. Every sector is represented. Me and Yatu David as one of the interim committee. When we come to legal people, there is a guy I was given his name. To political parties, kuli mwe koromboniro one opeu. No opeu is the local, is the only political party that you meet the miru. It is inside that committee. And we are going to finish it and we itura kinyana ntorea na woman rep ndamu approachire. Ambira agato facilitate. Nikondo committee tukara na yoi ndi twakara na yo ndiguru issues taisieja tukakara ndiguru tukara niri ro represented the political parties akomba kwando Mantu Jai kidi ndoro zirunga merete mita kageta atia youth the same na kidi matatu a very known sector which is very key to climate change and environment itomairo akirira ntabagira maiga kagukokomo all these sectors will be included. Number 2, Okiwa County yetu tuna Climate Change Act which has a lot of gaps. Iyo ndazo ile ndono kuthia Meru County Climate Act. Ima ndorothi. Ndasoka my organization Netcare. Nda support kuthia PCRA. I really trained community on local land climate action with my organization and these people. Mwanga twathia County Climate Change Committee. Nambesa kinyesi afroka sieja. But there are so many things which are missing. Nenda ambiria kuthiuruka, but ngavana called me. Ambira, yes, there is a problem. Can we start solving it? And that in journey, we have started. We started na Nenkere Linda, she's a legal person. Toagia, and maybe by next week, although I invited Mushema Njonge Naivasha, we will sit down and see those gaps. Non to want the committee never tidrekia, Kinyanta Tito Kwaria. The ward committee, a municipality, the ward, is supposed to be at the peak with the CFAs. No, they are supposed to be at the center. In climate change, it's a committee which is elected and it is legally there. But still there are gaps. Na kinya committee mo ni Kinya ika interfere so much with the political interests. No kuelewa? Ni ilo kuelewa munene ntwale aja. Can you go and check ni jande kile planning committee na kumaria ngaba na kawire tire niteto kinya musemani jumu na ini mure etio mbesa cia furoka ndene Meru County nukwerawa but if someone admits ngaba na gwitikiria akuga shwari nkona kwe naye, can you sit down, negotiate and agree how you are going to strengthen these committees? Katone ngap katone nato kwenda guteve. You cannot go out shouting, but kwa riama kwena a lot of problems. No ukinya seriously even at the national level, the constitution and the policies are being overlooked so much. No kwera no ntokinya niringwa when those issues came. If you could remember in the media during the World Environment Day, where were we doing the Tuari Nkonga primary? The only thing as a leader now, Kambajelu as a leader, not as the only question I will ask: how was the community and public participation conducted? No, that is my question. Because by the end of the day, it will lie to the community. But even also, the community participation which happens in Kenya, they are all manipulated by politicians.
Okay, thank you. Talking of that, talking of public participation, public participation is your blade. After gituma kionde kiraringi. And still, in the public participation, you know, we have gaps somewhere. No, to go down to Bakua Baravajire public, oh, Kabari Beya, Kukwari Mantujo, oh, Angababa, Oposi, but take everybody Mantujo. I don't know because I was not there, but Niliona clips. But Eric, do you think public participation was genuine? Like, at least antu ibaero time ya kuea their opinion na kwithira kinya bakiwa kithira kwenda into beyond the ya Meru kana batiko bienda. Do you think at least Meru ibaero kanywa kana kayo kakwea the aninichio kinyabo?
Ibola kan comment Ruth na team ya webite to struggle na chio ke process ya koristo muito, but referring to her kuna challenge which PS are there he can support the department support towards restoration tuko kwenye imbe cha carbon bado mtadhirikari you see they are struggling no speed agency areas na tukori airstrip ya kiroyo ikaraja kwa na interest no tukwara speed ikero speed yone tumeka restore mwito na resources zero ikero ichiko kura mite na mbi jera mite 10 billion nira tuko 1 billion na mite bakanenkro bakada bakadu jowa kuga then tukumika progress but ukeja kwethoro ina tunadhina ina thirikari tunadhina ya kinya ya dumping area yetu no tu atukuga na ndia tukumenyera riera. We still have an issue ya dumping dump site yetu mwito neri na we all know the effect ya dump site area ecosystem ya ntorera atori baraba itorene but kutena ntakara ngorobi kwa thirikari it'll be on how to ensure that the safety na kudro dump site area funding ekwiza onareto kusukuma mono ya strip yakwa in support of what Kwaria Mwangi na ku ado issues zirai chabati kuthora hirio kwena thinene muno nire mbukire uni there may be interest nyingi muno with regard to wakibwa into biba gusukuma muno no to wathikira the current governor akauga utemu ndo mwito jwa muntu jogo wakwa. It tells you that either there is the mwaka uga temunda jwa kujo wakwa ya strip, then you start asking whether we donated Batwe an opportunity to kwa ututhikira no tutongeria but the moment na kuga temunda jwa kujo itorero munda ability kenda to support to career yetu twinde. Therefore it particularly public participation we tuigwa tuthikanire kikio ni priority yetu na ikio kuga uni public participation thirwe na Ruth mention that mostly public participation are influenced by individuals who have interests on a certain idea. Ikeja kuthorwo ni free where people are given opportunities anajo narua tukaenda na ya chetu ukatikira na ule ongea kaandikira then that the public participation yari already a decision has already made. Sigintu kira tugaga ni ku formalize man already jathithirwe joku na ndiketha airstrip already ni enjirwe na dozers na kwatheriwa na toronda and then we ended up now having a public someone wants to justify either when someone wants to justify any coordination clear either there was a donation somewhere but now since to justify that this is what he did with the money. Iko keria kuchokia na ndile the system ko regularize the entire thing. No. Getiata ba yewekera ba yewa kenda beja kuga project ile jaga ona initial nkiugaga nkichoka ikiuregea ku the public participation area opinion ngani ndejita gwita nondo nanka nka didi orea aroe ba didiriwe ndona na ndio no widirwa no for no apparent reason kare kando but purely kinyori ingita you will see that inarama tujetirite and with the intolerance na tukirepa pakutoka tukunga kuka kaniria na tukaniria lazima kwenda kustama this process nekira the minority whether minority an opportunity to house their views kiri that in encourage public involvement. The moment kuna issue, it's a needed issue. When you give them a platform to air out their issue, whether they are minority, it encourages even other projects that in future as a katiba yetu an opportunity of other together to every project to involved. It can encourage all the other projects, either the county government, the national government, an opportunity and to back willingly. They nanduno together with the contrary opinion. Nanuizi majority already ibara ile tutu a certain extent then utuko kudhorowena an opportunity kwa nyeke though nukare na irwani ile na leo hotel utumba kudhorona opportunity kweza na leo not already there's a predetermined results in terms of urabu kuendelea tubaraba kuboka batende ko kiuga is something bajo to kudilia opinion but to for example, it was the two objective. It's not that ikeja kudhorwa tila tuge nonto nuroka nite na hiyo mtu kumena. It was kana kuweza na a different opinion. Onto throw kama kugati tuwe mena someone no already honestly ikeja kudhorwa watu wa information ite karibu kutuile togeto sagera state house state road where you know that is a really a protected area. True, airstrip yoga to Kamataira Mira. Now we know it's not even a commercial project. It has your misleading community to that line on to support that you influence misinforming community. The best brains of our brother Kuga, sometimes we push these things out of ignorance. Like the reality is, we've given you responsibility. Give us the right information. When you give us the wrong information, it appears that responsibility can be that opportunity. To mislead such that these are to suit interests and friendly without safeguarding the interests of community or office area or the at times when you see people having a different opinion, it's because to corner trajectory it may be political for you to gain that you in the helm that particular time on the BBS. Lakini what are the impact chia mantuta jonto to dividia? Is that community involved and NHI by aligned with that? Can I not know what to impress either the national government, anything? Lastly, project hicho that you are Aizi Jeupe, it's purely to divert attention. The national government fails to deliver what people promised. They need also to give something to divert back to the conversation in area. Non to the day. I don't get about to do it, but when a discussion in project, they are not promising, fulfill promises.
But you have seen them talk. But you could run at the back area. Never fulfill their promises.
The reason as to why we have only one budget, I mean, cycle. I think it took one okay, but still concentration here to state roads, state golf course. I agree with my brother Sarah. Golf course, the budget is already part of discussion. It's purely a corporate Germany, Banjuri Kanabangi, but professionals, Pamokoromba Munda. Irikare, either Barombelis, Kanabarombe. That's what happens. But when you make it as a national government project, I want to be known that in that particular time, it makes things even worse for community. These are really diversional tactics.
Okay.
Now they are clinging to my brother our priorities.
Okay. Thank you.
Just a disclaimer. One disclaimer kwamba ukoromba kwa jana ni amount ya public participation. Na mumbero ije in the near future together to a constructive and genuine public participation. For the simple reason is national government, national parliament, na senate in the area ni mandated kudhibia sheria na act can strengthen provisions ilio cha katiba cha public participation. Kintu kira tuendelea tuenda kio ni court pronunciations at public participation e bati kudhibia na kodone advert kana notice bati kwa yona tukuingana ona so tutethire tuina sheria ya kutuonia turi akenya turi amiru juju mutaratara yo public participation. So in the near future tutomba kwa tuina genuine public participation.
You are yet to see kidogo chief tukizake ugo. Can we really say not to kudikira antu ba bondora badia? Can we really say that dirikari maybe kiranto bakulak ni more of awareness kutuika at least kinyambere mantu jambiria wananchi beleze ribubwega pengine mantu nataja kwambiria na ataja getaitana ni mbiyo jongo ya retete non for example okiakole kinyamantu ja acres irachi utumiro kiri mantu ja zonde wetima na arwa ko kwa neka manele ko kwa negana ko kwa ya strip ni tumirite 11 acres ko tu 50 you know anto batena that information pamenya ketha neka igana rimo kana ijere so omuntu alitia mantu jawe jara kwenda don't you think Kenya thirikari ina responsibility ya mbere kwambiria anything bakaridia kana non to be na resources at least watu kana kwenya mindia reru isiegere nyatia local, you know, bomba social media ya yomba kuthirwa antu bakikirwa information iwe kendra public kwatika kila mtu nakomba ku access information yuna akadira kimenye mbio yongwe kuendelea mbere antu bambili otia mantu jobongwa
ibubo ya sana Njeri na mbwe woni kwambiria kuenda muno this debate na kuirwe neno tu ne utukunura metho muno no kya kuona the way we are behaving na tu atongoria na ituknende tukwata a lot of enlightenment especially from what our sister Ruth and Dorothy Rabadi na Kenya Babangi other debaters. Kangwenda kuwa it is very true. Sensitization inakwenda everywhere. Antu bakwenda babu idru more sensitization. Itu itaya tongoria ya babu Ruth na Dorothy babu de tubuki manto conservation muno kukarende TV ne rukiri weru irantu birebeta ngwene utwire 1 2 3 twatete toyu inkome antu bamwe bari bonto CFA for the first time itu kwenda antu bamenyente toyi na bamenye kinya bombo participate non to go bibilia kwa antu batete bakari batererwa na ate bakirona waketho ti oreta witate ubera. So people need to be taught, and I must admit Kenya is doing a lot of legal ignorance, and I'm happy to an expert to our wakili unless you have a he's a lawyer now. He's almost kungiranute wakili, and I can see then just with wakili mtu kumea what is happening manto yo kuti. Kongi nenda kuwa in minority public participation yo Kenya yo level tiayo. Kinyo etamoshema nione ukorianto ibukwenda manto ya people always respond na ndendo bwira it is true ara mtu aromi akienda kuona ura kwenda kuona na mtu rokenda kwa kintu kiki akaua nena akethwe na method na akethwe na point cho kuprove ogu mantu iye titatia yatibui na mtu rokona yabwino akethwe na point chawe tia kona ni yabui nenda kwa antu bakasa manjiri ni ignorance na njire kwa baka ignorance na ndenda kwa kandi bwira uma one feel a lot of thing dona kinya thirikari kwina wenja njawani fair mantu amengi mno women judge it unfairly to kumenya a lot is happening. The other day I was being told of opportunity that ikuche youth ile diaspora opportunities mtoro romete mantora diaspora opportunities mwari mumiru kumakirwa kuitwa Roselyn Njogu na ndebwira people are getting these opportunities. I am telling the truth kinya mero way baba ingi mno nende ukethre nyenda diaspora remittance ni with that it is now approaching 1 trillion. No to be people are benefiting. People are there, no opportunity to lakini people are not aware. Ukethre antu babethi batichi mbio to youth fund. Ila robo mbotika advantage bakaromba no geto ibo bangi na success story tia what they have done with the youth fund. Mantu ama ingi mno the government yende batu kama hapo with machinery to make sure antu bakomenya. Nende wite kwa dia inya. Yende umu yaro ofisine. Lakini enda kuwa kinya oninko lelia kwa na my responsibility. Yeah. Nkameanda uma how today. No to now we want to be atu kinyete maybe ubatu ture kireke way forward. Way forward denda kuwa unikenda tongoria bakarandi bolelia points. Pro and const tia manto ya na ndoro the other point nje ya mnore kwa social impact assessment where am I to corner yes this thing has this disadvantage to the environment has this advantage kiba to the community when the manto ya yonde ya kombo to kunura metho na tumbe balance between there as a society lakini ndo kwa rimwe manto ameya ya tidhoye popular search the only problem with us and what yasa ni mwe batu antu basiasa ndibwire umara thine twiri buruna ara twatana iria buruna tukethira tutinyo kwina murungu katutiki advantage anything kinyoko thwa nirio ukundania ndorothi iria rutu akiamia tu iria riu no kirete chemical na tu antu baba kanyo iria riu no kwenda nyoba litakiongwana anga wapi tukareta story tu iria riu nyire ntigiri na antu baba igwene iria ntiri na thiro start saying wono kundania iria ritata kinyo turumia nyama tukonya moitinuri mwanga mtu bro kinyo kama mama antu bokinya bakawa we utai niche boya o mama boya so that is when kwenda kuwa batu together to a lot of I mean as leaders to ina ngoe kwendukiti antu betu every now and then kwa point ke kwenda kuleta ya strip no tukunje ya right kwenda kuwa tiri the idea ya strip kwa wewe ndo baikie first kwa tedro ya open to other commercial kinyandege commercial ili kenda kwenda wewe na ndege kuno umeleteo na kombo kwa kama tabraba kwenda kudili nye transportation. It is only that together and state department ira irende nere kwa mandated dai to carry out that project. When on to bongi tell us menya meru no one strip. Non to kona biuto ya strip is just a strip. Who no to the nyeto nengi na I want of small county jina nyidana. Very small counties much smaller than Meru. And then over economic potential ira Meru yeneo. Meru in great economic potential. Meru in number I think 4 or 5. Kiko contribute kile GDP ya Kenya. Hii number 4. Meru potential to inoke ya kolelinya every commercial bank ya Kenya. It is in Meru. And to want the institution in Nairobi rai chidrili ko puntu kora barota bakenda out of Nairobi. The first destination either Nairobi ile Meru. Na ndio ndio bungu buko na Meru dai na dhiri. Utongorene wanga bana wetu mutumanto India. Na Meru dai friendly kile investors. Meru friendly kinyeki institution mwanya. The other day twali nantuba free. Betete Kurura Center, Mitungu. Now, I have come to realize in the State Department of Forestry, it is very strong. Not to care for Yongwa, it is going to do a very serious research center. It is to certified, including Mete Yamatunda, Yotomi Bokando, Hawa, na bibi ngibi on the bika certified, Mete na wanotulita na mantuaero vya Mete, no menyariwa Mete. Unia kwa we in a good part of history. Mantuamwe, let us also think with the big futuristic na tukiona au manto yake ndio yali kinya you realize that in future manto yake kwamba kuithwa yeta na around na ndenda kuwa batwi tukaelewa ndiguru na our own experience undi ya bwana burambi bicha ichika ndi mutindwa jako thwani ko ndika yana uriku the world is bigger than that na kwi manto yake ya manene ngurukie yau so ndenda kuwa ndiguru manto yethero ku ya manene ingurika no turia kuwa manto ya president yakaya na priority ya nara yeta kumaanisha president yena state light now katwe today president Ruto no were na konera to Mombasa no ina preference yeu ende tekumaanisha manto ya waka airport tikwa no ina priority kuwa na kwenda waka anakithiria njeri mbati ku dispero urongo bungi bukuthwa ku spread baka mbeche yutu kwa iwoka state launch ichi ya kiras ichi ya kivitari ndende kwa kithi state launch ili yako state department ya interior ministry interior na internal security which means mbeche ukinyeto kwa watu kwenda state launch itoiro ke yawo kambi kiras ke ministry of education itemio tokera kivitari no ntumanto kivitari na yo ni ministry ngimbi different ukakwenda kuwa batu ile mochi acha kai kombola to kombola ka okiamia nteto kidogo kenda isavu wa very narrow interest chechi asa na bonge kimero kwa mtu akwenda aweta mutwera na mtu akothura aweta ndimbiro na ndendo kula kuepuo antu bakarame wanu kwa tuka batiko enda kuona untu brabo kubwithika no ntu bena interest ingi lakini nenda kuwa batu as leaders to batu karawa chunku the other day to karande na chunku bandeni ma batu litana tu atongori pa political parties twatwira kuo kuti IEBC kuti electoral commission we were very shocked twawire no botalaira ku batwira boibiama ivyo bitala so you can imagine ni meru tokawa kura chia dingo tukatuba no pe wiba taratare kura batu tukachobia kura antu no pe wa butukuba toro antu apie ni wibe yebete atia kumuno kwa basi no ne yetu conclude ne na yuri reform na kutiwa amba na kutindwa no te korwana uteotemana uteku ya kura uteku change anything my brother kwa tara kura kinyedo hiyo watch ndoka hiyo brother kama mtoke mayaku ukasaina form clearly with a lot of honesty that's what they do in Denmark but we trust in God but mwadhani atukinyidhiari it is a journey we are in but ndendo bora let us look at these things holistically tukiona atri this society is ours we need to move mawe haya yano yetu as a society na kinye conservation na mbura conservation is not an option iuni mantu tubati kubwithia such that kinyotho yontura ndoro ya turire au kwina roof no etera au kwina that lantana ra kinyotho mititha twire kurwa winde na twada nyamititha in the other surrounding areas bungi ukiakona that area baraba kwa mantu ya humidity area ra ni 210 na ni very dry actually is a dry area Rwanda mantu ya humidity ra tukwa ndege tithiro is safe mie kana assure you bungi ande kwire roof meaning jeri kinyawo next time utwe mundu nyawe na aviation knowledge uti mtu na aviation knowledge ya tu ira ndege na ruo na binambi au ande were uma with a lot of respect na bayo yes no domerete mante ndege yes nende uwe nawe no ntu kumya your political candidate na we interest ingi utena authority ya objectivity you have lost your objectivity because you are already biased no ntu wina political interest kwenda kuserve wendi deda kuromba uwe uni eno amiru wetu dharimi tu nenya captain yomeli I can assure you uni ningida kuthi mentorship and to cruise ship I have even come across captain yomeli I have come across pilot baba inge no I have come across expert wenge aeronautical engineers bau bahatura by very objective no ntu batena political interest by whatever no ntu siasa oraika di uni ndio kubonka bwera people know where belong so people will assume muntu we no mankato irora witatia no ntu interest yawe wendi tu thotu na mtu very objective na professional in that area. Thank you very much.
Kuna kintu kwa ndata kuria tukithirekeria na dakika imwe tunamalizia tafadhali tunamalizia just 1 minute
woni kwenda tukuga ibwega no ndura twitite ikubuki narira mtu ina information ibwega kweja kwenda kuga ngugije kithithwa anduba weather ba kampire for 1 month na ukuli kampi ikirwe na public participation yu bukugira seresio nkudugania keta ere Burundi no wali public participation maitajana na kwetwa stakeholders na kwethirwa kwina technical committee.
Now what about the normal mwananchi?
Yes, wiwathia
No, wamejua kamiti weke kikundi na ndeko na mwananchi ro thino arungi no tukuatire au no thine kwijira
mwananchi uguo tena
kuona ukubera
irio ngukwira mwananchi uguo tena ararungire no untongeretie manda na tariki mugwanja weje wone bara beragwa ibaka matia marori bakejoka iri tuina function yetu ira twita Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Wo unkiaria ntigwaria ndi munene yo kawira uga ntigwaria mpandiki county kana anything ni antu bara to ifrontiere
tetekeri ngori atire.
Yes.
Babu kwata kwa nekro that information ya nene no represented mwananchi wa kawaida. What do you do with that information?
We go and tell people na okay.
Ama what do you do?
Tunafanya mkutano across. Tunafanya mikutano mingi. Na ndi ankwenda kuga mbuga kwi level either ire public participation yantu baria bakumin they mean a lot than others. Na niona ndi kwendekana outugire twina ka gap kojurirwe.
Exactly.
No we were involved and then kwenda kwira njeyara antu bau ibejire na mtura uradithagia mantu jau i captain kana i pilot wa ndege no raitangu giu seresio nkwire airstrip ne 1.5 kilometers, it's not 800 kilometers 8 mbio kilometers
8 kilometers from the expected.
No ukario rongo strip yeu ne 1.5 na wide ne 60 meters. Okay. That is the information. Mbere mam uwa mam no kuromba giti ya PNU women rep ukoria antu ethia bakagitatia bakaroeta ndege kana bakaroseda one I was just nowhere ndirandariga muchiere ndiratonya mantu wa conservation ndiramberia na tree nursery. Do you know I'm owning my title deeds, I'm owning my car, I'm doing very good.
Okay.
Fair. Wow, ni empowerment, ni kwendeka na niyo tukwenda tukinyiria mtu huo kawaida.
Okay.
Thank you.
1 minute please. 1 minute.
Okay. Kambuge ntenda utakanya muno. Kambuge mantu yao kuna tuki remove around. It's just very simple. Hakwenda mantu just civic education. Ukathikiria everything that we are talking about is about civic education. Utwike mwananchi wa kawaida na kumenya what is happening. Tontu kinyaba moba kwa kinyana ande effort whatever. CFA tindono kinya you are never some or you are never tindono. Because you know to bara ba didi na bo is only that they limit themselves in don't want to include others. Na diko tukua kore ndiga ni chief of staff akiuga mantu jeye county government. Let county government consider these volunteer people. Nikenda bomba kudha bakara ndiguru they come up with a permanent solution ire kama the king up na tukamenya especially this the community forest association yeji kwina ntubarba kwa funded through seedlings hizi paketha still kudha kuna ngapi kwero kuna mitrombo na whatever ukatwika ni weteka nini.
Okay.
I think that na nchokere Meru TV for this program na let's continue having this forum kenda tumba kwen each other in a way of education.
Thank you Basili.
Thank you sana Wacheupe na thank you sana Kimumiru leo tutagerete unikira kwa ndo qualify kuna kintu sarese ugire nini project usi that tuna budget ngo ndawe toteke ki financial year 2026 2027 isiekiri state loans. In recent national budget defense, President William Ruto confirmed that the new Meru State Road development as in an active financial allocation of 8 million. Confirmed. The Chiekiri. Na into billion the Bire Wateri. Biekiri, Birivetwe. Kenda by December, Kida. This is it. At least maybe with the 6th in the 16th in city. So orang buka awal itu tegere ki mutanda jawab no bize mutaganga dene na
kuona isiekirwo allocation isiekiri mbesa na siekiri ki the 40 billion ile siekiri ile sie bangen ki development ile kimete ki national government ugategero kathoma ukona boja ile nkithithe in my conclusion ankumina atiriwa cheupe into bibio ndeteka uga ora kwambirite teka uga bithuki lakini ni uria JR na uririe niki gitumi gutiangi nontu into bibi kwenda kuretwa kenda municipality juju wetu jukura tu city status na ndi bige tanare tigania kabige tegembe utiro tugakurie ya the 16 nini city so into bibi retiaja kwe kenda at least bikuchire bimwe biria kabi bimatia kumatia gintu kenda ya tu asete na imboririe my sister aja ndamuria tuge for example ta Kithongo itukuga Kithongo hospitali itukwenda KMTC tukoria no ite Katheri school ikerwari niki nontu KMTC iteta kuraja nae na hospitali so na ndi the same as into bibi bigeta kuraja nau bite make sense mono tabire aja so na ndi my point is that rindas betu na tongerie betu para ba kuromba ite kabara be bia mene bingi bira bite go support the government ya butuma ke national government inko ba hunch kindly ibatige kumeneria ara gutegute kumenerwa iba ugia atiri ituike our own interest assigned tuike mero interest mbere at least tuge into bibi keja President William Samoei Ruto aketho watio 2027 biketho abieto saba.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Kijana okay, 1 minute. Oh, tena nini? Okay.
Kambuge ipo bwega no to barari rato ariaja. Na ipo aka sana no to kwa Meru TV kwethirwe twititiana ro tuja kwariria golf state road na airstrip. Ne thugario rirega mono uria ndaigua rirari na gavana Mutuma gavana wetu kuthugania kureta ithuganio riu kenda Meru ija kwa city inde yakwa uni kithomo kiria ndathoma kinya bara bakwirwa bagopus teka baropus ando thuku ikwaga no rinji na kori atiri kuma enderea malto yo yagweterwe na anto baumera bambiria kuria biuria niki mbango yutathithe west straight away kethera I KFS ndikuigwa bena matuja mathongi mono na bagutu enlighten mono na bagutu endokit baringi bangirwa straight away bakaumera bakera mukario Meru airstrip ireti no to mono kuoria emwa kurigiria mwanki na kuoria mianki nere irithitho mono Kenya Forest Services kenda twejo karande jaja gutethero kwina political affiliations unire kwijete tujete kwariria jau airstrip state road na golf ntekwijeta uketha kwina indi political affiliations tukiuganga ireti no tugana ndi baria bagopose ibaria bai kiri opposition. I didn't know that was the thing. Na tu ko bati kwethera gukari no to matu jaja tethera yete tethia Mumeru tabati otethia Mumeru wonde regardless of political affiliations ko kera kiera bati ko bakireo imotaratara na anto bakereso.
Thank you.
Awareness.
Okay, thank you. Tunamalizia. 1 minute please.
Asante sana katika ndongome mutegeri wa Meru TV na audience area na the panelist, good evening. Unbito wa Dennis Kimathi na ndiariata ndi mu youth ndiara Gen Z na ndiari ndi mutongiria wa ikundi to Rising Generation Africa na I think we had this discussion 2 weeks ago na team ekwa tukiarairia mantu ja tukwaria narua na nika skim through everything that has been said. Kigeria kuna round the thought, alafu nande you'll draw conclusion from what I'll say. Number one, the day Keraito Murongi was talking about how he was sick and he was not able to be rushed to hospital, I was in that particular meeting and I felt insulted. Because if a leader would say that we have to have an airstrip because our hospitals are not working, I don't know which direction that conversation should take. Na the other day in with the Isiolo Airport, Kuma Isiolo Airport Kwizamiru with good roads and good infrastructure, it is less than 45 minutes. So I don't see the urgency of having that airstrip. I'm told Kwena Mantuja Kore Monki, we will get there. The other one is the fact that no we are in an era where in a presidential suit. This is our. So the reason as to why because I feel like we are having an icing on a cake that does not exist. We are talking about turning Meru into a city. The other day, a lot of cases here people dying because of flooding in Nairobi. Because we have built our cities on the carpet. City Meru, where else even the drainage system itself alone we have not sorted. Mr. Eric talked about the waste management that we have not sorted. So tuena priorities nyingi, as Mheshimiwa said, tuena priorities nyingi to run away from. And I want to say this in front of Mr. Governor and the leaders who are here, because Ndonas are only one of the Gen Zs in the house. You leaders don't understand why we are frustrated. We are frustrated because you're not doing what we said you do, and you're doing what we did not say you do, and you don't want to listen to that, and you want to thumb chest because you think you are right. But in the space of democracy, doesn't matter how smart you are as a leader, the priority the electorate sent you to do in that particular office. People in Kenya, but then a trust in the government yetu. We have no issue with personalities. I am very sad that we have introduced names around, which is okay, because we are trivial beings. But it's not about personalities. It's not about people. It's about an infrastructure to work against. And we have people that we have trusted with power that want that particular insulting infrastructure to remain in place. Corruption. A place where me as a Kenyan, my opinion doesn't matter. What matters is what the leader believes is right to me. And most of the time, the most bad part is that our leaders are wrong. We have an airport, we have a very huge tract of land pale owned by Kenya Air Force. Big. Wale wamekuwa pale, that land is big. Ego hata enekuma gontuko yoto kadhiuru ezira kanyundi enambira kanga itezi ni Meru County. Eza kuwata kanga iteza kumiras Rimon. That whole tract of land ne Air Force. I don't understand where there is a lot of urgency to deal with fire from here na to an airport, military repair. Who are the best people to manage airstrip to deal na mwangi? In the forest, can I in the military where they are? That military is in the Mount Kenya forest, the one that we are talking about. State Lodge. Where are we making it feel as if we should bribe our presidents to come and visit? Why do we even need a president to come and visit here if the government is working? We have a whole infrastructure, the president, deputy president, ministers, PSs, mpaka kwa chief. The reason as to why it is very intriguing for the president to come and stay around your village and don't understand. The other one, the moment government starts speaking about creation of wealth and economic empowerment through visits of presidents, well, we are leaving the most important part. Meru, we have no jobs. And there's nowhere to be employed here in Meru. We have a lot. If they were saying, but to tengeneze omali to make a plant to process viazi, that would be a very different conversation. But now talking about golf course. I was in Meru University. Meru University has 560 acres of land. If you don't, 560, I am not murmuring, I'm saying 560 acres of land. There is nothing that has been done on that land, yet we want to now come and cut the forest. Madam, who are doing the conservation. If two wrongs don't bear right, if there are no forests, Now, why are we saying that we should introduce infrastructure in the only space remaining for forest instead of planting trees there? As I finish, please, Chief of Staff who is in the house and Mr. Governor, maybe you'll be the governor in a few, and other leaders who are in the house. Our continent is headed in the wrong direction because you are having the wrong conversations. We are solving the problems that don't exist. We don't have a problem called state lodge. We don't have a problem called airstrip. We don't have a problem called, I don't want to mention golf course because it breaks my heart. Because why should we be having that conversation? Where on earth should we be having a conversation about a golf course? That is very, very insulting. But we don't have those problems. We have a problem of jam in Meru, over barabara Meru in Kaivi. People are dying in roads every day. We transport, we are the biggest producer of Mera in Africa today. Ethiopia are trying in other countries, but we are. And that is privilege to be in Meru County. Kama sisi ndio tunahitaji barabara, inahitaji magari zikimbie. Why don't we have those infrastructures in place? If our problem is in the hospitals, why are we not having our hospitals being fixed? So I'm just saying, please let us have the right conversation. Let us respect the people. And sisi vijana, nitawaambia, tuko na nguvu na tutawatandika. Nimesema hiyo on television. Na tutawatandika kwa sababu tunawachukia, tunawatandika because the future that we are having a conversation about is ours. Sasa nyinyi hiyo future ndio mnata. I have been to my university where I went to, and I'm going to tell the people who participate in the public participation, what is the mitigation plan of encroachment by that same people that we are giving land? And the second place, the moment you are having a conversation about, even before you went to give them the space, why aren't you asking the question of, why here? Bona hapa basi. And kama hapa ndio the best part kufanyika, kwa nini? What is that is so urgent about? Kwanza your presidential, I'm feeling, from Nairobi to Meru with the chopper tumepea serikali ya military, it is less than 45 minutes to fly from Nairobi to here. So,
Thank you. Thank you. I think it was a good way of closing. Parting shot. And Kagini, you can comment one on what he has said.
Okay.
I think, best time possible.
I think a good friend amefanya vizuri sana. I think amerap the entire conversation. I think kile amesema tutumbochoka, because that's what we've been saying all together. That priority yetu atongera watu tutoka yabu bukuma nono tu. Utumba ko bego mume kile atubona. Privilege ka yako etekana utongera sakani particular time. Na hiyo itapata kwa leo opportunity kucheza na kupiga kiburi na kuona mwaka mpya this and this on to ndio this particular time. Ora umupomba kuga. Ibi tuna dine nyingi mwa. Na dine tunatumia tongera bora tuna. I think we also need to wake up and get the right people to do the right job. Two, especially that to drink and travel, they don't say equal. Two, if you feel how he's thinking, and Korea atongera betu kwa kwaria, sisi atutukire. Itukire atongera baratu na bonande beja Korea rais. Itiaba babu imono kuruke bara ba tekudaiz. It's an opportunity ngaya kueteka kita fulani. But the moment you accumulate an opportunity, both ku then tukatuna registration nyingi kana kutatuchoka nyuma mtu agutambele. Itugere tukana kudia Meru City. Only mwana biashara tamu. Do you know people are closing shops? There is no way with an opportunity to stimulate the economy could have been a better mkono. People are closing shops. Our friends, Frati Rankaraga, people are closing. And then my brother is talking about city. City, Meru town yongwa idira da komiremo. Utu tutite mugutar toanete tutite. There is no way we can talk about converting a city to take stimulate the economy of Meru, because at least kila mtu ako busy. Mtu engongeni. People anto wakuinga kuti taunira tunayo. I agree with my brother that conversation on to don't know it's totally different. Na itapati go shift from our way of thinking. Ili yale akitoka weto it's becoming an industrial area. Non-to industries they work on now. I don't know what the county government is doing to ensure that the Parapa could invest in Naja, at least if an opportunity area that we know, because what issues to create an opportunity, as what my brother has talked about. My parting shots, it will choke that Atongile Barabariku, Parapa Ekana, by chokere. There's no way Umbakweta Kuchesta, Kupiga Kifua, that they can do this on Mwakatu Mantuzaza without purely involving the community, na to ensure that all these ideas we align to wananchi wa kawaida.
Madam Ruth, parting shot chaku na ugetura ketharipo kungeta help kana utethio borapo batere kikumanya kethirikari kumeki yo wakisi na ntukuba bwena ngoine na you talk more no to na ndeba tutukumenya manto zoze ndu abwe na ukitago ngene sana.
Thank you muno Cheupe mbere buruga nchokerie Meru TV. Meru TV niyo TV yonkere tuthingata nara twita mashinani bakionora tukuthithia ni bwambikirite kinya kiri gipindi kigitagwa mwekuru mume na ndara I think for almost 3 months na tugita mirone na nara tunde tuthia conservation mbere buruga nchokerie Meru TV fraternity nkatho nuntu ba support you na kinya ratu in environmental this ni bejada batum back up so big up to Meru TV. Also wanchokire nkatho kiri panelist nuntu ambuge kiragi utumo tureka kugita uria twina undermining of people. Today, for example, now like him is a pilot, is a gubernatorial aspirant, and when these things were done, ateja gutegera nuntu you want to lead the people male, and he's a pilot. When all these things were done, he could have been competent so that he can speak. Uto just arrest you. No, you to ateki nyangaga. Those issues when they are done, why can't we be putting the right people at the right places? Na nuntu munene wetu aliana is new. Ankwenda kumwira Meru County you have one challenge and one problem, and I think as we go, because from Monday we'll be having candid discussions, but the PBOs kana civil society organizations. Kinya batu atongeria bara batongeretie entire county batu kinya mishemanyo ni tutitago kinya bara bathuragwa where we are supposed to speak tutithuragwa bara bekairwa ku kinya tutije ibao niki utomatuga inclusion nuntu bwareka gwikira the right people mijanda leje tikitate kedri bwekire jo kire one issues isi ejire ni bwetire uju bwetojo bwambita bwetandoro de bweta youth jabale kinya kedani youth representative. I think we could not be into this discussion. Nontoni ntemenya utuika menya ro menye piloti menye manto jaku menye just feel in deep. So we need to have integration. Anto bonde bakaleta kwamwe na kinyeke though you are governor. I think with you aspirant kaba ngangyo kabeka ndiguru bakamba contribute kuga you are weak or you have lost your glory. So I feel also I'm speaking on behalf of the aspirants. Baraba bakugita ule oni nkigwa ndina thina nabo mono onto muntu alita koromba kura kethira liromba ke human rape utekuga ore ori kuninga kwiri kwa kuthithia ni mbia kuthithia what different thing you are coming to do no kura iko geta atia kethira ni muntu aliromba kia governor oni ku expects kawera kira yatumire tumwakura ayokira akabao kira ito na na kinyotha ai akiuga fagia miaka ere ito expect kinyote akabao kwa ito ira miaka ire thiriria atia na njigi mwita atia kinoti nagwe ito expect to the life social audit mutuma nenkerwa mbese yareka gutumira. That is why I want him out. The way the politics of Meru being done bati tukiuga tukithura na tutekiuga tugi appreciate sare shurira kwa gemanto jawe na imu consulta muno nigo aliuga article fulani muthakoro ngi muthomia mucokeria mwira article fulani budget fulani. These are the politics we want in Meru na nkethiria ndenda kuwa batu antoba conservation totari na moral tuvuga if we are not inside there is nothing for us tuije kana tutije. We want to be inside because if you are not inside bukatu ita panels taiji lira bogotwa for from today even us we want to be inside the politics nikenda na tukinye twingo tugitaga atia tuthikairwa na athomi bara bena mam requesting there are a lot of gaps in our Meru County Climate Change Acts. So we have talked with Linda because she's a legal person. Nitukwenda ntetu inacio kinyecio cieje ikeja ntu baba athomi baba kejiga chambua nikenda tumba kwa tuna standard. Then the other thing, there is something you are lacking, Chief of Staff. Meru County, we have a lot of forests, we have a lot of carbon sinks or carbon credit na tutina Meru County policy kana hacks ya kuregulate mantu ya carbon credits. Kana ibao bari jaga carbon chetu ira tukudire chia mito na chiambi. So we need a clear policy on carbon credits in our county. Thank you.
Chief, you have to exchange numbers before mtoke hapa ndio muone mtasaidiana wapi.
Okay.
Na pia yeye awasaidie kufika kwa serikali. Nakuja.
Yeah, mbere yangu nachokeria my young brother Nkatho. I think he has a competent sense in all of us. Dankaria nkoroki ore ali ankandro kidokai. My brother Dan, it's good always to talk out of information and facts. Kira wa kuotini allocation ya ku maintain the existing state lodges. Te waka a new state lodge in Meru. So there is no budget. Totally ya waka a new state lodge in Meru. My dear sister, owning kuotire report ya national television, but the scientific research ya satellite ya kuona ni airstrip area ni extended with 800 meters. Meters, 800 meters. So that's what I quoted. Mbuge, thank you so much. Meru TV, Cheupe and the rest. Let's keep the conversation going into Pigwa. Kintu kira gikura ni civic education. Twende karoja bi nkuru kibi binge to komba kuda to impart the proper civic education kira to. Thank you.
Sure.
And then I wish JR and my dear sister all the best, and Chief of Staff. Egitaria dirikare ya munya, we championed with them kwithirwo kwina sector working groups to incorporate the CSOs ke programs chionde cha thirikari. Munya was not able to implement, kiraitu implemented. Kawira miuragirire nusu impeachment ikwambiria. So can you pick it up? Kenda ba incorporated sector working groups.
Yo ninkadithia yu kulingana no tu kona bate kuigua ndaka uwe buru kabisa kuona ya kaini ngaki kuigua ngenti lakini kuona tuli amwe tininka because basically onu utokuga kwa kwetu tutikirwe nonto oni mbugire ngugie nini ke katiba iko develop ko conserve na ko manage niyo ngugera ba yake hivi ingente ko mainaji kumera. And then numburirie kethira impande ita muti rira tukuthuri oni bana miti actually ugeta ke kwa Kenya Forest Services bakwira mbuga kethira kwe muntu consistently every year ugura miti nkurugia 30 ikeno tionto maret ninde mwitu kinyajo wakwa panda na matunda na ambi I plant all those kind of things wajairi ukiona diaper uninda ndio uchiona na nda complain ra mono tongeria bobaba ngibera nonto nani mbegerete njire kuma Meru technical gwitia mwanka nkunga maita ja kungana na nyatha actually nonto kwina rukoro kurigaria I am still organizing tuona that the last time actually we did na group ya kuma etawata why pate why da bizeta wata layo na datu itano more the Lions ari ere cha satana charity organization enkubo kinyate Meru actually teko rigara na teko maimbie to mario to reuriura and the other time the previous time to adhitia na antobakirua and this other time actually to rather one ya kudidia na kia maga kwa Jubilee. That is what we are working on tuona kada tomba kuitia tutu kijo ja tukithakia nonto mtu nethero aiso wanja je we diaper ndethirite chie turi mbuga ngunia ithano chia diaper on the side of the road. And I was asking myself kweri no tukurigara imbi utuma twina thina nyingi muno inya cia mirimo na marai jaja jakajukia yete janyagie muitune ngai ure jengirwe ko kairi chonde tuithanira nacho na rojene miurone yetu. So actually according to me that was a bad whatever kiri public participation, and fortunately I was there. Eu yera wane didete bere kamanua chunua kino tontomarete nuo aria kuona kanyoni nonto I think kijonde kana kibonde barabare no tungi baiji omba kwetho yajita kupinga na ninta pinga hapa say oku ankiwa thai. Me I'm very consistent in my talk Cheupe uniambura ya kini kimwitone na niutu ina thine miuro ndoje kuuma na actually nyantu kwa argument ya kwa yari very simple ndora ya nyingi bakulika na 2 months ago kana 3 months ago atu aresho na irwa roje mutindo juju na ndete katu bwiri kutha tukio ngaira nyomora na ndi twetite twi pilots bathatu tumwe na kinyomo wenda Cheupe mbere nkunengerewe no eje kinyaruju. That one has flown all over the world. Tuire gwitango gina Kenya Airways eta Captain Paul Rukaria. He's been in other media houses na nyei turari nweke that international media house turari the same story, and I can actually with your permission mwire no eje yako explain Mantuja Winds na ambiwe the reasons why we felt it might not be the best place ya kuidro area na kiu kyo tuetite kuuga. But unfortunately that particular day barabario ibonere to explain a lot of stuff which was very good. They can to understand what is going on. And they could take nyomo wetu wakanya kauga. Actually the first person urea wenda kueja na Mantuja awe arika manu na nyabu ingoi wijura kwa karire aitman wetu no nere dhine kuligaria. Unfortunately no tunara na kuinja. It is close to home. Dakati ya mutano ntu chia mitubira baru mitu bambira kinoti ute ariaja no ntu kwe uko bangi. Nani kwa akarani ya mutano jakwa kuira uko ute ariaja akuira uko ikaba wane no ntu ariaja mutano chia mantu jara ya akarika na ndinda abori batu tuchia ariaja utikyo tuyite kugitate kuruira kethari muito kethano mwanka jo gitu ijo keteate ijo gitu tu antu awoni bonchonia mweri na ibwe nkoyete otetera kana nkoyete oteta nkiuga kuombeka na ijitwe muitone na yo ita wa democracy ke ndiguru yetu ya Kenya. It's simple democracy. Jore bwana kugaga yoni mbuge bwakwa na wo uge bwaku bara bakainge aba keteate bakari the day obu wake otekenge otanaje onchonia imbi onchonia na nkuga bwakwa lakini ntoni nda yetu ochonua anda era kamukere mbaga komeni nda thongutha mbere guthuka nande. So in short, all what we are trying to say ojo baba ngbondo bauga ndaka ogo igo uga ureto kugeria kuga all what we are trying to say atu prioritize Mantuja to ikina njirengi na kuombekana kethero gute kuombekana isasa wa no bodithie ki lazima ora mbugire ara mwambiri ndauga ware go tutethia Murungu agatuteithia at some point no ntubatu atutegera tukona ugeta baruire thai antu bakethaga mingau na njire kurigaria mingi na mpempe na mingau thai ntu abiomire oni ndikuthama kuma mutindo kinya thinda kana waburi ndetere side chia buri na au kwethero kwina bia kuria by the time I got there utebio kabisa antu batu oni ningo personally 4 good seasons tona kinya mungao njajwa kimbo emo na antu bakianda every other day and I keep on asking myself Murungu ri yani kweli ko toere miti o twangai o twa muthetu munoru batu twingo to ikinyango twingwa twagita miti twatondia miunda na fertilizer amiti tawate itu kunengero fake na interview fake mwanka ndakike mwisho tukeza batu tutumba kuirera. By the way, it is a very sad story na ndenda nyapo ijo cover kada ibuta cover era na nani mwakuru mume na burete na ubwe jabone the way people are suffering. 4 seasons uteonete kintu kya kuruma, it is a very serious issue. So me I'm a conservator, but utemtunkuronweni I don't give a damn kedra igwe governor kana tegwe governor itwara ni rienta tuira chiaka ama tuthiririe rugono rwetu aiko au nontu kwanja jaoni nimbwiri ko very etawata careful nontu kinyani ngonde thro ndirwa carelessly na antu yani urio uyunene athithia muradi nkuringa gituma akothogania yoni nterungorwa gitumani kinyani the same thing will happen na nkaringa ro gituma kinyani utheri kethanda aringa gituma utheri. So ambere antu betu ba Meru na Kamemeka na TV ya Meru TV ibwa kama mono nontu bo tutikira it is late in the night lakini nontu bo wendo bo buinge withirita bwina ba utwe na bo tutikira nikena tumba kuigwa jara tu ina joka na jara tukuthugana ba utwe twijinya ba buingwa na ubure bwina opinion chienu and they count, and they must count. Iko tumaigwa ndakere kithura opinions chetu kinyatu chubwiri kwa che counter te mantu jadi the wa jonde ki lazima. Otherwise 2027 ni kino tiondomana koromba gitikiu kia na jau muthaka kuga yoni ngarithia jau jonde o ngenta ijo. I will make sure that you get employed. I'll get an opportunity. Actually, ate kwera to gwetania ni omono na ngona nyaka thorima are batu turiuga 174 is what must work for us. Article 174 motho mieriuga te mantu object of devolution ni ate tubweri gwitirwa ngugi twamiretere devolution ni kenda ugwe withro kiugo ore okwenda kugita atia. So iyo ngwetuma mbira antu betu bameru muntu uri okathiurunka nawe kwiranga kuinjira njira nga kuthithiria nyomo ore he is lying to you. No to you go bwiri kwithoke gitatia we mwira. That is what the law says. Kana ndi utwandikire katiba twetikaniria. God bless you so much. Mwankara mbuga twatirimana kaire ibakarithari mune bya mwathani na uranda atiria na ndekere na inyanda ewu ingi no ntumbije kuomba kwa ndi watiria ai nkoromborekeri.
Okay, thank you.
Tigambuge, thank you very much for Meru TV and the people who have worked behind the scenes. Before you come with this topic, there are people who have worked behind the scenes. But this is a topic, it is a touching topic. Now, before you come up with a panelist, you had to do some homework. This can be in the panel, this can talk. Let me clear something, Ma'am Dorothy. Onindevai Giteke Women Representative Meru County. And honestly, nkeja acha nkauga priority kwa hii airstrip. Na Gembe North, but tuna issue a teenage pregnancy. Then I'm missing the point. Nkambira kwaria about state lodge. Na tuna issue youth unemployment. I am missing the point. Nkambira kuga inkwenda twethirwa na golf course. Nukona na tuna issue a school dropout. Children are dropping out every day because some of them are lacking sanitary towels. Honestly, I would be losing the point. So let the sitting talk about the golf if she feels so, but for me, I would not be championing for these issues right now until the priorities, as Dennis has said, we have cleared them out. Because honestly, I'll repeat, how many people will be using the state lodge? Kedwa na Gembe North, they are dropping out of school. In fact, Meru, we are numbered number 2 in the whole of Kenya, na the highest teenage pregnancies. We are number 2. And then we have a conversation about a golf course. Like seriously, we are losing it. On the issue of leaders and politics, I think we have just brought the issue on our own. The current governor has an issue or he doesn't have an issue. We are just discussing about the state lodge and the airstrip. So sometimes we don't have to make politics out of everything. Let us be factual. If there is a problem, let us say it. And if you're a leader who is sitting, now where there is a problem, please listen. Don't run to defend before even listening, because power belongs to the people. And if the people tell you they don't want an airstrip, please listen to them. Okauga, maybe they are fighting me because I'm the one who is sitting. I had someone mention even PNU. I'm like, why is PNU coming in this conversation? Because I didn't even mention about PNU. We are talking about the airstrip. So it is not always about politics. If the people who have given you the mandate to lead them, they tell you, we are not comfortable with this, please listen. Because at the end of the day, who are you working for? People. Chief of staff, who are you working for? It's the people. So if the people don't want what you want to do for them, just listen. Yeah. Last but not least, in Komanya, as days are going, Madam Cheupe, we are experiencing a generational shift. And it is here with us, and we cannot do away with it. Let us incorporate the whole sector, as my mama said. let everyone be incorporated. Even these young people, let them be incorporated. You cannot walk alone. We cannot walk alone. Incorporate everyone. Even though we differ with what they are saying, but at least you have listened. And then the majority will win. The young people, we need to listen to them like very seriously. And because they are bringing a new way of thinking. A lot of us here, we are thinking old age and dinosaur age and, you know. But when we cooperate the young people, they are bringing a fresh, and they are questioning things. And in that way of questioning, they are giving us answers that we can get in a very short time.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Chief, na kuna point ya rero ni the guy at the back auga kwenye ni yareo ya ku vijana bake yama bakanda mititheni bakaundwa thirikari, and now that ikuthiritwe kwina that unemployment no tunakuwa wengo at least walikuwa wanapata pesa gukurukira mantu ya jau kindly no ya comment no katura pengine na asa thirikari bukuthithia ku make sure ana ya maybe ba chumire bakeke kundi banda mite yo bakaundwa thirikari.
Thank you very much. Na kithira kundaigwa jengekete this kind of debate yudani na wita mno kuthikira chapatirishi ariti chungu very nice ngaromba Mungu oina no atarulia kemiru bayoyo bakaiba na amuchi and na kona kanima tiri ndia yotongeria bomwe one belief kimantu ya inji titwa na idia tunyinde babi tukona Mungu na Ibrahim na miaka 90 na eta Daudi na miaka 10. Bonge hapo wendi very particularly happy na huwa especially kijana wetu kana jenzi wetu meoyo maoni yake kaya ku represent jenzi wetu rapa kutwani yaba yawe wembe dawdoi my advisor and chief of staff mwankiyo itokondo yo tap in many ways that thinking na wodi ndenda kwa hata ndawambu ene uma debate ite but within debate number 1 kilimantu yetu yonde ya mimi ndendo kwira bende bure ingwe eretwa KFS mbiro njera kinya wito qualify uchoke churi no to it is true ntemiago choke churi BPS na ereri mantu national government lakini county government ni support mantu ya urankwenda kuwa na ibo ntoku wankiarie ndi proponent yoyo urankuwa ni atire ina very humble way na jire kwiniche muno windenda kuwa twina discussion nyingi muno ni uma ira chutwa chetoro mantu ya health na nibukona buranga bana kubwita especially transformation ira kuleta kichipitari chetu nibukona mantu wa youth unemployment na ndenda kwa wikende kwa mantu ya chetoro oriundo ma chief of staff ngoti nyama ifasa salary tire lakini asheri bante manitia boba mbira mono kwa itu nongwe kwera nongwe mbi I am telling you the truth mantu wangu ge kana ngoichia kulita nonto youth yetu kumebena knowledge bena skills bena energy woni rombara yakwa ni tonora tubuju ibonto nyenda foundere group yetu youth green initiative ya ukuria ntu babethi na twabatumira kima ntu conservation ukangota kwa batu twinde hao ila tuita food for thought twaneni tuthuri kwentu kungavana tura ambi to buthuria manthi ankwaria they should annoy us tukana twi changed tukiura what do we do from here and I'm happy not to kubenjera akiwa yaraka bwithia woniru arengo menyatha ikwandoka we on Monday yeyo mantu bitite kwambiria yo to do list especially inclusion in civil society group you tieto barabe de to be left out we are going to involve them non titu kumenya bo stikonda baba ingemo no woni kinyambere mbia ke county I have talked in the Tengunya consultancy. We don't really na idea nene muno is only that siasa na ni siasa but we are nearing the election to wakati the election group. Tukienda kubite kintu kiwetwa public public benefit organizations ora chimba kubite partnership na thirikari. Kenda chimba the community nonto you coming from PMBOs you are very integral kimaendeleo yetu yokuria Meru na yokuria batu turenda kona tombo tap woni ningo ambude thina number 1 gwari kinyambere ngori security no kore thina number 1 ni unemployment no to kaenda mainika ikanda mainika nya dignity personally ndina experience nene muno ya kwethwa sometime nyende unemployed I found myself unemployed in one part of my life or another ukangonda kuwa ite on can debate and I want to say na tongoria babu yurumbea with me witness otero to korwa tuna debate imwe whether we are ready to debate environment yake whether to debate environment yake my brother ukethira mantu health ya mantu security ya like where I come from igembe no kwena thinene muno. We have seen unto over almost 150 baraba kuratho ni bandit bakuma Samburu na Borana from the neighboring counties antu ba ko tukathika antu tukanoa na twitira ofa na ng'ombe ile kitegemea oi family igweta. You see, I am imagining katu my father na ng'ombe chiawe na my father akuratho na ng'ombe igweta ate igweta. If only my father died na ng'ombe chiatiwa, you know ekuruba yetu bakimiru baba ingi baraba ti maybe employed ka professional wives. My mother ageta ka ng'ombe ile akiendia ndira fees, but now ng'ombe igweta ila akiendia ndira fee na baba no aweta ate akuratho. You can imagine that is double tragedy. We won't kwenda kuwa bunge na mwenda kwa this will not make us lose hope, but we will continue this debate na kubonda uwa batu ino kuona fire tu kwenda kutap ki youth na niyo vision ya government wenyo na ibon tu kuna kintu kubuga kiito MYS Meru Youth Service tuko ngeto ngirandu iti unto 924. I know of course that is little, but ni what we can do. I wish we had the capacity even to do 10,000, but that is ora awira manto coming back kan nyoni karake taka kunda roye katwila mwankiyura. I want to say again, Kidiria, let us also stop blaming politicians on everything. Muntu mwere kuoka mugongo ingugi yetu mimono itimiotiro antubati ya chaki. Some of us to professionals, very established. Kijambere Antonia Mantoya, whom to Steve Kanyanya, to the non-way to Laser Limited, to consult it, to make a proposal to with the Mantomengi. But to do a two and Nafiki Baba Imuno, okay, Dramante on there. Mwanasiasa tu amwezi ora Uiguru katu ekinyangwa renje yara no ngavana kwa tukamante on renje yara no kumea kwina ronorora wa muntura wetire ontomurume ya omoitie silingi onge kumarungu onge kumakabati mwene muchia kinya eya wa erora kwina thina mukura kwa ora Uiguru no etukonekera manto ya yonde erwa ananya batari office agwa no ora Uiguru atutethia no mearuira murungu ro Uiguru atutethia nende ntomurume akinya ndiku masilinga mwira hapana butemio mbikira manto ya yonde ora wikabati weri nora wirungure bari tengo iriku butemia ku manto. That is unfair. No mwanka uwe ntomurume wewe ya uwe atikumene husband na uwo ngi no na nya uwe wikabati no tukwembo na atonya kabatine tukane ngo itio twe nandi wanasiasa beto andi were umakinyo ino thimenti to atukwa rahimu kethira ni centriment to ambiri kwa ngoshine this ngoshine that ndiye ndo kwira kinya batu tu na ngoitia kulita thina ri uninki awetake antu begembe north iba me kuroda lecture Rwanda. What did I do for them? No kuona JR wewe ye kuromba ngavana to akuri Julia tuli na uariki aviation industry. What you have done? I'm not saying you have done nothing. Kankwa na okay na CV ku o present you at the uninki nyinda amentere antu babethi bamiru nda atuma ba myama antu yariku yeah na rinko ari o I'm been doing a lot of mentorship antu babethi women uri current ukaira karambuka ilemia. I've been working with that. Na kintu kimwa thithiri namba pointed and mentor wantu babethi, and I've been doing programs kuri antu babethi ndaibo kethio ntu captain wera kwera mailing kamureta tukariria antu babethi siferas pakmea sifera nimbi. Let me tell you the truth. Kinyo thakori mwalimu ukorwe nimbi ndani weta kithongo antu wa kithongo me no mwanko present CV we winda ari muchoro mutumanda ari noe twatethuka hapa na pale ya uyo tubati present ke antu betu mbure tukatigira antu tuake mugongo tutira atongore baba ditene bonka tuina bangi bombo tutethia. My brother anko renjenzi othai tuina miru bakaririte ite benda kwandika antu more than MP ba miru bonde combined tuina nene by managing director tuina nene by wapi tuina by bena connection yechi andichi home uni romba yakwa ke miru bonde tutetha ni ora tumba tukatira tutira atongori mo tidonye bena capacity ni ora tubariro imbati bayukite biriku. I am telling you bamwe baba yome be na position inje kama no yote thiantu unde da kwa batu bora tumba kubwithia when even we out there kije tutubwithie kenda tutho turumu na partners no tutuipatina na twist kuunda titu wa manto ya yonde na tukara tu point finger kire antu bara tukuiba siasa yake otherwise ndibiti njega windi romba mwankyo yutu ite na mbere na yu na tuelewanwe na tuithwe tukimenya manto ya yonde turude tuina ila yitwa social responsibility theory ila you are everything is done with good intention. Tulibuthi manto ya teka kwa tu kwenda kundiscredit teka tu kwenda kuria credit in a cheap way katu kwenda manto ya tu ni wendi boboya na tu ni intention njega yote thi mumiru. Asante sana.
Ndiko thiria lakini kandi kane Rotary Club ya Mkovo namba chokeri nkatho nyingi mono because they did a very good job. Okay. Ibo tuoje tena mabomo mate yangu kuiraira the first time.
Thank you.
Uwono wajira kwa mate kwa baka dure tu alina bono alino Na to ndigana yaindi.
Thank you, thank you. Aya, hivyo sana mtegeri Meru TV na it's my hope mkokadi. Aya, hivyo sana mtegeri Meru TV na mtegeri There FM. Thank you very much. Nontu bakudorore aramu na batu kumagagita kala twambiriria mwaka thaito mbakuta tukithirikiria. Akira ageni bakwa, thank you sana nontu bakubweta na bukeya kwariria Meru. I'm very sure really only gwire tu because Wini ngwa kuthoma mantu ja maingi sana ntuare na I'm very sure kinya bara utegerete na nyaba twina bo na kinya babu kuingo kuthoma so much kuma kiri each other anontu mutathethero akimenya mantu yonde kwa hivyo kinya babu mwathani akutharime sana. Thank you sana nontu bakuthorea mara batu SMS mmetuma nyingi lakini I'm really sorry ntoro bakuthanki wa SMS tienu rutero Facebook na kinya kiri SMS tiongwa but tuko pamoja na ibwega nontu bakuthura boto gwete mbaru kuma kagita kara twambiriria ndibwendera tuko thongi na bwojuri Mbe mwathani mwakira ntukuingi kira tuketha tutrimana kiriro murero siasa ukambita Jerry Wachewe.